Old motor, new motor. Got to swap some stuff out from the old motor into the new motor. But 6-speed is in, baby. Woo! Well, starting to look like a motor again. Got my groom speed lightweight crank pulley on. I got it in time. I put the timing cover back on. Everything's good to roll on the top sensor wise. I got to start putting the new brackets on. Got to put the old power steering pump on, even though I don't want to because the JDM won't work. Got to put the new AC bracket on right there. That one has to be changed to the US version because it won't work with the AC compressor or the alternator. So I got to change that out. Got to put the exhaust on, which I have over there, and the intake and the turbo and all that shit. That shouldn't take very long. Yeah, don't have much longer, and then we can throw her in the car and fire her up. Yeah, daddy car's running. She's alive with the 6-speed. Tune needs to be done for sure, but other than that, it'll be all right for right now.